There's some nice wings, guys, and they will fit onto the Flair Fokker Triplane DR1, powered by a
C120.
Wow, look at that. Yeah. Do you find that you got to turn with rudder more than aileron?
You do need rudder, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know that when I made mine. Yeah.
When you go round in a turn, you noticeably see that
yeah.
You need to pick that up.
Rudder's essential, isn't it?
Yeah. No, I haven't got it coupled.
What a lovely, great model. No dihedral, that's scale, isn't it?
In fact, I had a building board made up specially.
All right. What's the wing section? Flat?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Fired, didn't it? Right.
That's the throttle.
Right.
Give that a
pick it up. Oh. Wow, beautiful, beautiful aeroplane. Here we go.
Right, now it only does dead in the wind, otherwise it sits.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay. Trim all right?
Pretty good at the moment.
Okay.
Take it off. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, see all the root spring shows, all the biplanes and triplanes, they always know those.
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, I should have brought my camel up, shouldn't I? It's more to the point.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Should have had a dog fight.
Yeah. Ooh. It's funny, no matter how big they are, they all look the same little aeroplanes in the sky, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Ooh. Not quite perfect, but not bad.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. That'd pass muster, wouldn't it? That would.
Yeah, I could have gone with a bit more height, but it wasn't going to do any more height.
Okay, that's perfect timing.
He's not overpowered.
No.
He said he flies on the 90.
Really?
I can't imagine it,
Yeah.
to be honest.
And this was a 120?
120.
Yeah. I'm building a Sopwith triplane at the moment, actually.
Are you?
Yeah.
What sort of size is that?
36 inch. But in the sky, they would look good together.
As long as you keep one close in, then
Yeah.
I'm not landing, I'm
Yeah.
a lowish path.
landings.
Okay, all clear. Oh,
Yeah, you're too far up. So we don't want to have that.
That looks better. Because we're landing downhill, which really doesn't help, does it?
Unbelievable. Yeah.
Of course, you had that bit of turbulence coming over the hedge,
Yeah.
which upset it quite a bit as well. Yeah, you got the arrest
that
on.
didn't help.
No. No.
No wonder it wouldn't stop.
Oh, it was your glow thing?
Yeah.
Oh.
No wonder it wouldn't
I thought it
stop.
was exhaust. I saw it on there, and I just thought it was part of... Oh, you have got an exhaust thing, yeah. Looks alright, doesn't it?
I wonder
You
why
flew with it on.
Yeah.
why it took it over so well.
So that went quite well.
Apart
Apart from the landing,
from the landing.
which
yes.
was a bit
Yes.
drifty.
Yeah.
Nice, look gorgeous in the
I
air though.
couldn't make any last minute decisions with a model this size.
No, no. It's easy for me standing there watching thinking, I wonder if he's going to go round again. But of course, it's difficult to take the whole picture in when you're actually focused on the aeroplane, isn't it?
I was thinking go round again,
Mhm.
but you've got to make a decision in a
Yeah,
split second.
yeah. Well, it's down in one piece.
Yeah.